Hello everybody. I could swear I'm telepathic. I've been up for a while, but I laid down to take a nap, and right before I fell asleep, I thought to myself, what if the truck breaks down and they need a ride? Guess who calls? Guess what broke down, and guess who needs a ride? So here I go. So where are they? They're supposed to be here on 211 somewhere. A couple miles. Yeah, okay. At least the clouds look nice today. Where the hell are they? Huh. Oh, there they are. Gotta turn around somewhere. Well, that sucks. So that sucks, right?
Why are you filming?
'Cause here we are at Car Quest. Dan's in there.
Loony.
Oh yeah?
Gotta teach you a thing or two how to roll windows down.
I was trying not to blow Dan away back there.
Oh, so you gotta cook us out?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, huh?
So Don got to come home after we took Dan back to the truck, and he's been with me all day, and we've just been relaxing. We just watched Sweeney Todd, and then I found out that I'm an aunt again because my brother Travis and his wife Amber had their baby. His name is Mason. So now Oren has a brother, and Ma just called about that too, but there's a picture on Facebook. And Don's making taters. And there's chicken in the oven.
Oh yeah?
Taters!
Are you sure about that?
Yeah. Did you turn that burner off? It's still glowing.
No, I didn't.
There. Taters!
Fuckers!
And I've been working on laundry, which I just remembered I need to keep going on it. And then I'm going to take a walk after I eat. And my clothes have been getting looser, so that's good.
No, it's not.
Yeah, these size 18 shirts are feeling pretty loose.
Flavored taters? Too late. They're flavored now.
What'd you put in there, garlic?
Yep.
Well, that's good. I like it that way.
Garlic keeps taters.
Alright. Well, we're going to watch Yes Man and relax for the rest of the night, and then it's time for us both to go to work tomorrow. Well, if the truck's okay.
Yeah. Depends on if he's got it done by tomorrow or not. He should. It's not. It's only 2 bolts.
Yeah.
That hold that in, but also he's got to pull the drive shaft off.
Yeah.
That's the back half of it.
But I work 10:30 to close. No, that'd be terrible. 10:30 to 5:30, and then 4:30 to close for the next 3 days, like my schedule always is. So we're going to say goodnight, and we hope that you enjoyed the video and that you like, subscribe, comment, share, and you're having a good night. You're up.
I'm up.
Yeah?
Oh. I didn't know that I was up.
That's...
Last I knew it was dangled in between.
Oh. Jeez. We'll see you tomorrow.